coloring, coloring every day. I like coloring, coloring everywhere. Color my work and color my work. Strike off the crayon up and down. Color my work and color my work. Strike up the crayon up and down. Hello, mommies and daddies, aunties and uncles and everybody. It's another time we teach at home with Miss Lizzie. Yay! And today in our Teach at Home with Miss Lizzie class, we are going to be learning about something really, really very interesting. But before I tell you all the nice things we'll be learning about today, who can tell me what we learned in our Teach at Home with Miss Lizzie's class last lesson? Okay, good. We learned about how to make stroke. Did you make stroke with your children at home? Very good. And you said all the nice things like this. I like to stroke, stroke, stroke down to the line. I like to stroke, stroke, stroke down to the line. I like to stroke, stroke, stroke down to the line. Stroke down to the line and stroke down to the line. Very good. So did your children stroke down to the line at home? Okay, they did. Because they struck down to the line nicely and because they held their pencil nicely with their three gripping fingers. Today, we are going to be learning about how to teach our children how to color. Yay! We're going to be learning about how you can teach your child at home how to color. If you are a mommy and daddy at home, or auntie and uncle, or anybody at home, and you have a child that is a toddler, or you have a child that doesn't know how to hold his or her pencil or color nicely, this lesson will be good for you. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to teach your child how to color nicely. While teaching your child how to color nicely, parents, we are going to be using so many nice things. We are going to be using a colored pencil, and also we are going to be using a picture on the board. A picture on the board. Can you answer the picture? Very good. We are going to be using this picture in our worksheet and also a colored pencil. But before we dive into what we have for today, I'm going to be telling you why it is important for your child to color very well. Why it is important for you as a parent to ensure your child color most of the time as a child or as a toddler child. As a parent, it's important for you to know that coloring helps children in so many ways. It helps them to improve their pencil grip, and also it also helps them to enhance their concentration skill so that when they grow up they don't get easily distracted. So with coloring, they'll be able to build up this skill inside of them. Follow with your eyes as we color. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip. I like to color, color, color with my crayon. I like to color, color, color with my crayon. I like to color, color, color with my crayon. Up and down. Very good. Follow with your eyes as I show you how to color. Right here on the board is the worksheet. But before I start coloring, you're going to ask your child, what is the name of the picture on the board? The name of the picture on the board is an apple. Very good. An apple is usually what color? You ask your child. An apple is usually red or green in color. Very good. And after then, you start coloring with your child. But before you color, make sure the picture that your child is going to color is very, very bold. Remember, the children are still small and they are just learning how to color. So it is important for you to put a big picture so that they will have a lot of space to be able to move their hands when they are coloring. Follow with your eyes as I show you how to teach your child how to color. While coloring with my child, I'll always make sure I start from the side. I'll start from the side while teaching my child how to color. Not only that, because the children are still small, I'm going to color a little bit for them. Can you see my own? I colored a little bit. Okay, I'll color it the side a little, and after then I'll help them and show them how to color. While coloring, I'll open my mouth and say all the nice things, and my child will say it after me. Follow me with your eyes. I will say, as we say all the nice things and color the nice picture. Let's go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'll make sure as my child is coloring, I'm also watching their pencil grip, making sure they are coloring with their tree gripping fingers, and they're also holding the colored pencil with their power. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Can you see? Remember, apples are usually green or red in color. So your child might decide to use a red colored pencil or red crayon to color his or her apple. It's also good, okay? Good, but me, I'm using red. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Can you see? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Now, parents, while coloring, I'll also ensure make sure my child doesn't color outside the line. My child colors only inside the apple. So while coloring, I'll open my mouth and say this: do not color outside the line. No white spaces. No white spaces. Do not color outside the line. No white spaces. No white spaces. Do not color outside the line. No white spaces. So when I'm saying this, my child will also be careful and also make sure whenever he or she is coloring, they are coloring inside the line, and also they are not leaving any spaces white. No white spaces. Do not color outside the line. No white spaces. Can you see? Good. Remember, your child will first of all say up, down, up, down, up, down. Very good. And after then, remember, the apple also has leaves. It has leaves, and the leaf is usually green in color. So I'll ask my child, what color is the leaf? And she will say green. Hippie, this is green, and your child will color the leaf green color. This also helps the child to be able to identify what color leaves are. Can you see? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. No white spaces. Do not color outside the line. No white spaces. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And I'll continue like this until I fill up my worksheet with my color pencil. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see my apple? Very good. Can you see the apple is smiling? Did you enjoy the lesson with Miss Lizzie? Very good. But before I finish, I also have some pictures here with me. Can you see them? We're going to color it. We're going to color the flower. You ask your child what color is the flower. Your child can choose any color of his or her choice to color the flower. This will also help your child to be able to identify colors. But I'm going to use my yellow colored pencil. I'll just color it. And I'll color the leaves green. Remember, leaves are usually green in color. Can you see? No white spaces. Do not color outside the line. No, why? Spaces. Can you see? Can you see? And I'll make sure my child goes up, down, up, down. Very good. Did you enjoy the lesson with Miss Lizzie? Very good. Remember, today in our Teach at Home with Miss Lizzie class, we learnt about how to teach a child or a toddler child or your child at home how to color. The first thing I told you that while teaching your child, you should make sure you color the side a little for your child. And after then, you teach your child to start from the side while coloring. Not only that, I also told you that when they are coloring, they should open their mouth and say all the nice things after you. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Very good. And also, when your child is coloring, your child should make sure that he colors inside the line, inside the picture, okay? So you should open your mouth and tell your child, no, why? Spaces. Do not color outside the line. No, why? Spaces. With this, your child will also be able to know that at every point in time when he or she is coloring, he or she should color inside the box or inside the picture, not outside, okay? And there are no white spaces. So we are going to stop here for today. But before I go, don't also forget that while your child is coloring, also ensure you look at the pencil grip. Make sure your child is holding the pencil or the colored pencil with the 3 gripping finger with your power, okay? Very good. We are going to stop here for today. Did you enjoy the lesson with Miss Lizzie? Very good. Now, parents, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to tell a friend and tell a friend and tell another friend whenever it's time for Teach at Home with Miss Lizzie. See you in my next video, and bye-bye.